Ceilings are really bad in here. And even here too, it's not even salvageable. I don't know, I don't think any of the ceiling tile are gonna make it. Light fixtures are shit. And that's gonna be consistent throughout. I'm not gonna stop at every office for you, but I guess I can, but it's all pretty consistent as to what it looks like. You know, here's not horrible, but far from great. This is the area that would get turned into cubes, so it's kind of moot point what's going on here. And then here would be the connector wall to the B building. Good little workroom area. And this door does make a good connector for whatever we might do out in the shop. All of the diffusers are either need to be painted or replaced, which probably replace is best. But out here, the ceilings and light fixtures are shitty. One urinal, 2 toilets, which I believe one urinal up front here is probably going to be enough. That's what we have at Jersey Shore now at the front bathrooms, and it's great plenty, especially adding what we're adding to the outside. The walls, for the most part, are in pretty good shape. Couple of spots here and there where they're not in the best of condition, but overall, you know. And then this would be the the new bullpen. That wall there gets removed for the parts department. So this is looking back at what I was just pointing at. So nice sized office here. And then this is back to the hallway where we entered. One little office here yet in the corner. And then back to where we started. This concludes your tour of the future Biggie Crane and Rigging offices. Thanks for watching. Like me on YouTube.